Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is day 5 of our fall planting. Get ready for the fall planting anyway. It's burning up out here, fall. Oh, so this morning, I'm seeing these doggone white flies that's been in there, so I know they've been eating up everything in there. But anyway, we're going in the greenhouse this morning. And I'm gonna have to turn my camera off and come back. I only got one hand, but I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna pull up. First I'm gonna spray, then I'm going to pull I don't like mosquitoes, I don't like bugs, but anyway, I'm going to let me come back. Don't laugh, I'll be back. Good morning. Okay, I sprayed because I don't like bugs. Okay, first off, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tear up all of these tomato plants. I'm transitioning from these small pots, and I'm only gonna use the grow bags. So I'm going to at least do 2 this morning. And I see this is all slick and everything, so I know that slugs is all on that one. So I'll spray it down. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this end one. And these are going to be cherry bell radishes and daikon radishes. I'm gonna put a couple of radishes in that one. And this one, when I pull it up, I'm going to do lettuce, a basil plant that I got that I'm gonna pull up out the strawberry pot, and that little onion there or back there. So I'll put those onions in there. And that'll be the 2 that I do today. But all of these tomato plants are gonna be pulled up eventually, and then I'll put other fall and winter veggies in its place. So let me get started. Okay, I forgot to come back and show you the follow-up. So this is a few days later as I'm editing these videos, and this is the lettuce. It's ruby leaf, and I put an onion in there, and that's the basil that I pulled out of the strawberry plant. And yeah, I put a little piece of lettuce in there, butterhead. So we'll see what happens with that. This is the radish bag, and this is cherry bell and daikon, and they're already starting to sprout. A couple of pieces of chive in there. Yeah, and that is it for those 2 bags.